Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, Bose sound system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.